Bisecu Smart Bike Lock, it stays on the front wheel. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth. So if I lock the bike, then the front wheel is fixed. And there are sensors in the lock that go off if someone tries to tampering with the bike. This has been designed purposefully in the shape of a cylinder, so it can't be caught. Locking mechanism is hidden, so it's harder to break into. It started with 3 engineering students that wanted to improve the experience of bicycle riding and get rid of the hassle of having to lock and unlock your bike every time you get off. So we are planning a Kickstarter launch this fall. Hopefully the product will ship by the end of this year.
Hey NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.